Shalom, shalom, beloved, and welcome to rYse Radio, a ministry of RBM, where it is our duty to equip and empower you to help prosper you in the Most High Yah, to bring together Zion in one mind and on one accord in our King and our Messiah, Yahshua, the line of Yehuda, or Judah. My name is rYse. It's a pleasure to be with you for the Shabbat meditation. And what makes us slightly different here is that we observe these Shabbats according to our ancient Hebrew calendar, based on the cycles of the moon, or the Kodesh. And this month just so happens to be the 8th month, Shmona. And we're going to get into a little bit more about what that means, okay? And as always, love and respect to all of our people out there doing the work. And those of you all who've been doing the work, we praise the Most High for you. And again, we're just trying to keep the work going. And so for this particular meditation, okay, again, when we're in the month of Shmona, and some things that correlate with the month of Shmona: wall, fence, protection, new beginning, separation, increase, abundance. All right, and the Hebrew letter Ha, and I believe I'm saying that correctly. Meditation, I pronounced it as Shet. However, I believe it's Ha. That's how it's pronounced, okay, the Hebrew letter. And you see here to the right the pictograph, and we mentioned this in our last meditation. And it means wall, fence, protection, new beginnings, separation. And again, it looks like a gate, okay? It looks like an entryway, all right? Or a portal, if you will. And here, you see the letter Ha, written from early Hebrew to modern Hebrew. And I just find it interesting, if you look at the image of it, right? Like all of our letters, again, have function and they have meaning. And the early Hebrew, it looks like you know, a part of a fence, right? And again, we're in the 8th month. All right, we just celebrated and observed the Feast of Tabernacles, or the Feast of Indwelling, or the Feast of Sukkot. We talked about how, you know, it looked like a doorway or an entryway. But if you look at the early Hebrew letter, it looks like a closed off entryway. Like it looks like you can't get in without a pass. Like it looks like it's closed off, right? And of course, our Shabbats and our feast days are all based on Torah, okay? And we're going to get a little bit more into that, but I want you to think about that, okay? The early Hebrew letter, it looks closed off, all right? For some reason, the modern Hebrew letter, it looks more open. I'm not sure why, but we'll talk about that, okay? And the scripture meditation that we shared for this particular Shabbat, this new moon, new Kodesh, comes from John, the Gospel of John, chapter 10, verse 7 through 10. And it says, Yeshua therefore said to them again, most certainly, I tell you, I am the sheep's door. All who came before me are thieves and robbers, but the sheep didn't listen to them. I am the door. If anyone enters in by me, he will be saved, and will go in and go out and will find pasture. The thief only comes to steal, kill, and destroy. I've come that you might have life and have it more abundantly. And that's from Yochanan, or the book of John, chapter 10, verses 7 through 10. Okay, and we're gonna get a little bit more into that in the next part of our meditation here. We're gonna do a second part of this because I want to get this to you all, and because there's a lot to cover here. There's a lot to cover, and so in the meantime, Zion, Be blessed, and the Most High willing, we'll be right back for part 2 to our meditation for the month of Shmona. Shalom.